Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing how I made the fondant I used for my 3steps wedding cake. So if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop any new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free just for you to be getting alert of my new videos. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Like I said, I'll be sharing the videos of this 3-step cake till the last, so feel free and enjoy. Recipe for my 3-steps cake. You need gelatin 3 tablespoons and half. For my glucose, you need 1 cup and 1/4 cup of glucose. You need your icing sugar. I'm using 3.5, that's 3 kg and half. My CMC powder 2 tablespoons and half. This particular fondant is my all-weather fondant. This fondant recipe is my all-weather fondant. Even the 1 kg I have on my channel is also my all-weather fondant. Make sure to sieve your icing sugar. You can use it in dry season, you can use it in rainy season, you can also use it in harmattan season. Is okay. That's what I'm using right now. This is the one I use for this my 3-steps cake. So I'll also show you how I covered it in my next video. So measure out your 3 tablespoons of gelatin and half tablespoon. Add water, 1 cup of water, and you measure the 1/4 cup and add. Stir together and you set a pot or a pan with water on a medium heat and you place it on it and you start stirring till everything is well dissolved. Measure your 2 tablespoons and half CMC powder. Add to your sieved icing sugar and you stir together. Our gelatin is well dissolved right now, so you have to measure in your glucose. You take it back to your heat and allow everything to combine and well dissolved. 1 cup of glucose and 1/4 cup. This is my 1 cup. I also measure the 1/4 cup and I will add. Send it back to your heat, as in the water, hot water, to allow it to dissolve very well, and you allow it to cool off before use. Allow it to cool off for some times before you start using. Now is already cool, so make a well at the center. Start adding little at a time as you incorporate. If you exhaust your liquid, you remove everything on your work surface and you start knitting. If you have not liked my video, give me some thumbs up. Click on the like button. Give me some thumbs up. Click on the like button. Comment on this. Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to share this video. Feel free to invite a friend to this channel. As you can see, my fondant is coming out. We have to keep kneading till it's looking so elastic and stretchy. So if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely family by just clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop any new video, you will get an alert. I will be covering this cake in my next video, my 3 steps cake, so you don't have to mix it. Make sure you like this video. Don't forget to like. Leave me some thumbs up. Encourage me by liking this video. Feel free to share to your friends and family. Don't forget, invite a friend to this channel. It's very important you invite someone to this channel. So it's good you keep this fondant till the next day before use. I make this a day before I cover the cake, so I'll be using it the next day so that the fondant will relax very well. You can see it's looking so stretchy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.